Supplier Profiles, including Clean Cities profiles, serve as the cornerstone of the Fleet Wiki knowledge base. They compile information from websites and social media, as well as white papers, case studies, webinars, and events from across the internet, organizing it by technology and supplier. These profiles are maintained by the suppliers themselves, so that fleet administrators have the necessary data and insights to evaluate technologies and justify their purchase decisions to management. This video tutorial will walk you through the steps to update your profile, ensuring the information stays current and relevant. This example will update the profile for Michigan Clean Cities. Start by clicking on your profile icon, then select My Company. Proceed to edit and save any changes you make. Next, click on My Technologies and choose the research topic you wish to update. In this case, Clean Cities Coalition Network. The first piece of information displayed is the description field, which is designed to give fleet administrators one-click access to the most crucial information required to make vehicle upgrade or replacement decisions. OpenAI bots are available to help you compile this information. If you are a supplier, use the QR code to find the Supplier Profile Builder bot, and then in the message box, type, "Provide businesses researching your technology," with a numbered list without topic headings or bullets of 2024 products and services from your company, and include a description of its key feature. You may want to follow up with messages like, "Provide a more complete list of services," or, for Clean Cities Coalition partners, use the QR code to find the Reg Finder bot and the Reg Navigator bot, and then in the message box, type, "Provide commercial fleet operators in your state who seek guidance from their Clean Cities Coalition partner with a current 2024 list of incentives covering zero-emission or low-emission vehicles, including automobiles, trucks, vans, buses." Returning to the Michigan Clean Cities example, highlight and copy the results from the Reg Finder bot to your clipboard. Open a blank Word document and paste the text using the Merge Formatting option. At the beginning of the document, add a link to the News and Events section of your website. Next, add hyperlinks to titles by copying each bullet point into Google Search. Find the target web page, copy and paste the URL as a hyperlink to the title. Once you are satisfied with the Word document, go to the description field, select all, and delete the contents. Then, go back to your Word document, select all, and copy to the description field. Clear formatting and save changes. As a final check, click each title to ensure the hyperlink opens in a new window. You can also return to the company description at any time to edit its contents. After making changes, clear the formatting and save your updates. The next tab is where you can configure links specific to your website related to the technology you are updating. The default titles include Home, About, and Technology. For instance, the Home link for Ford Motor Company would direct the user to the Ford Pro page dedicated to fleet professionals. The Resources tab can accommodate up to 5 marketing uploads. Please delete any obsolete documents and replace them with new ones. When adding resources, you have the option to upload either a file or a website link. To upload a document, follow the instructions to select and then upload the file. For uploading a hyperlink, copy and paste the URL into the location field. It's important to note that using the hyperlink option means any changes made on that web page will automatically update in your resources directory. This is particularly convenient if your website includes pages for resources, news, or events. Complete the remaining fields and save your changes. The Research tab helps fleet administrators stay current with the latest technology trends. Please adhere to the editorial guide when adding content. For instance, choosing among all electric, plug-in hybrid, and hybrid electric vehicles can be confusing. By emphasizing the advantages and disadvantages of these technologies for various vocations and applications, fleets will be able to make more informed purchasing decisions. Upon completion, click the Open and Edit button to submit your recommendations to our Fleet Wiki editorial team. Once complete, return to the home page and review your updates. Also, please remember to update your profile with any new information, such as news, events, and product launches, as it becomes available.